Hey everyone, so I got my ColorStreet kit in today and I thought I would do a video of me unboxing it. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase. If you do, thank you so much. You're going to support me and my family, and I am so excited for this journey. I'm really excited. They're nail polish strips. If you don't know what ColorStreet is, I have a group on Facebook. I will link it down below. It's called One Polished Mama, and you can ask questions and do whatever you'd like. So, opening it, you see this right away. It is so pretty. I'm so excited. And it has a layer down on the bottom. I'll get into that in a minute. So it comes with 2 nail files. It also has like the buffer, the polish, and the shine. That's really, really cool. I love these. And it comes with 2 nail files from ColorStreet. That is awesome. Super excited. And these are all the samples that I can hand out. So if you would like to try one, please let me know down below or DM me over on my Instagram. I'll leave it down below, or again on my Facebook group. I'd be happy to send you some samples. And this one is their Tokyo Lights. I guess this is one of the most popular ones. It's really, really pretty. Has like glitter on it and everything. And these are the sets that came with it. So in this starter kit, you get 13 full sets, and you also get some for your feet as well. I would have to find it and show you, but here's the colors. They're perfect for me. I love them. Purple is my favorite color, so I got a couple really nice, pretty shades and a few mermaid ones with glitter. I'm really excited. Let me know what your favorite one is that I got. I really don't know which one my favorite is. This one's really, really pretty and it has glitter on it. And there's also like clear ones that you can get too. You have to wait for them to be in stock. That's the French tip one. It's City of Love. It's really cool if you like French manicures. And this one's awesome. It's like marble and glitter at the same time. Water you up too. And this one's another pretty glitter one. Have you guys ever tried ColorStreet? I have not. It's gonna be my first time and I'm so excited. I've tried on some like tester ones and they lasted so long, and I'm gonna try and do nail art over them to see if it lasts and works with them. It should, because these are 100% nail polishes, or nail polish strips. It's real. So I'm interested to see what we can do with them and how long they last. I'm going to do some on my right hand and keep them on as long as I can. Again, but I have 5 kids and yeah, always busy doing housework and everything like that. But I have really high hopes and they are beautiful. So again, my link will be down below. So it also gets the Welcome to ColorStreet, and it has a sheet of how to apply. You remove the clear cover, you peel the polish strip, remove tab and select end, apply to your nail and gently stretch it to fit. Then you take off the end. That's the clear one, the glitters. It has your do's and your don'ts. If you need to know anything, just again ask me. I'll be happy to answer. And please join my Facebook group. I'm going to be doing some giveaways, and I'm going live later to show this kit more in depth in there, and probably even going to try on my first set. I'm really excited. So this starter kit, you get a cute little bag to put all your stuff in there. I'm going to have to get like some little business cards or something and attach the samples to it and just like hand them out to people that I find. That's gonna be really fun, and I'm nervous, but oh well, has to be done. And you also get little nail files. These are so super cute. And you get the little sticks. I forgot what those are called, but I use them to push my cuticles back. You get nail prep pads before you apply the nail strips. And you also get polish remover pads. This is so cool. I can't wait to try these. I like how everything has the cute little polka dots too. Super, super cute. If you are interested in joining, please let me know or follow my link and select the join tab and let me know if you do. You'll be on my team and we will be great together. And I'm just showing what these ones look like as well. It comes in a strip of 2, so you can just rip it apart. I'm assuming it's like it just cleans your nails and kind of dries them a little bit so it sticks better. So there's no like oil or residue on your fingernails, so they stick better. And this is the Colorful Opportunities. And then you get some catalogs. This is Spring Summer 2020. Soon enough the fall ones are going to come out, so I'll probably be doing some more videos with those. And you get a booklet, The Road to Success. I'm gonna have to read it and fill it out. It's gonna be exciting. So let me know what your favorite one was. I will leave my link down below. I hope you try them out, and I will see you later. Bye.